The job we are doing is in conformity with the teaching of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Looking at the welfare of the people, we have to equip all the hospitals with modern equipment, train our doctors, and retrain them to take care of the welfare of the people. We have paid for the insurance welfare, social welfare of the people, so that every citizen of this country will be insured for health problems. That is our priority. We noticed, some problem with hunger. When you see the war in Ukraine, in many other places, you can't easily grow food like mine. We will be able to feed ourselves. We are going to cultivate more farmlands. We are going to equip farmers with low interest or no interest loans. We are going to bring tractors into this economy. We are going to invest in irrigations for this country. Nigeria will become net exporters of food. That is the sunnah. And that is where I grew up to understand it. The problem of the country on livestock will change. We will change that. Nigeria will live in harmony and become economically viable, buoyant, and happy with production of milk, production of animal husbandry, production of veterinary jobs, and all of that. That is my own concern. And I'm assuring you, that is my priority. That is what I believe is sunnah. I'm glad I received you here today. Let me again tell you what I've been able to do for the people going for Hajj.